Here we are again today. Good looking Pete. Have we not seen this? What's your name? One Alan, the other Alan. Where is Don? I'd say he's in the ladies, but
Don the bug.
Where is Don? We've told you every time we come here we find Don in one place. Don! Don, no! There he is! You seem to spend a hell of a lot of time in them toilets.
Yeah, I know. We're going for a butty.
Is that where you met George Michael?
Hey, he's not got his coat on. Down there.
Hey.
You know where I'm on about, don't you? Up
I
here.
could have got mine on. I should put my other one on as well.
Yeah. 3 nights, 2 bedrooms. How much?
£1,000.
8,600 quid.
How could it? £8,000. He just said he got. Well, we're staying here. I don't want to buy it.
I thought I'd looked at it wrong, Don.
And good looking Pete. Hello Don.
Right.
You don't get all 4 very often, do you? See that rain coming in? I know it looks very nice today, but the weather's going to change. There, rain clouds all the way round. Well, you want to check the batteries? What was your job in real life? Hey, what was it? You was an Don't put your head down like that. Hey, you was an auto electrician, wasn't you? Right, we just got here today. We just got here today after 3 months. We've not been here for 3 months. Not really good looking Pete. Bit of wind noise, but we've not been for 3 months basically. Checking round it. Now we were going to be going out today. We just found out the batteries are dead, which they shouldn't be. Come to check the mooring strops. Perfectly alright, not frayed or anything. I'll do it for another 6 months. We've just put the mainsail on today. That's all done. Boat's not that bad. Quick clean, that's all it wants. No leaks. We're going to sort the engine out in a second, the Honda. That's not been started for way over 8 months now. We're coming back to find out what's up with that. Humpty, Dumpty and Dumpty are all inside. There they are, all 3 of them. No one knows what they're doing. I'll have to go in and help them in a second. Look at the face on it.
We all know what we're doing.
Batteries.
I think we had 2 batteries.
Batteries. Let the auto electrician do it.
There's only 1 battery.
2. Well, the other one's in front of it.
Nothing there, Pete.
I assure you, the other there's 1 battery, the other battery.
Yeah.
The other battery, under there, there's another
Unless
cover.
it's under there.
Yes, that's where
Oh,
it is.
right. There's the alchemist.
You have to move it all out. Anybody got the kettle on yet?
Yeah. No gas on yet.
Oh, I'm telling you now, if it wasn't for me, these three would still be in the home with the matron tucking them in. Right. Battery. Gas. It's in the back locker. It's been moving about a bit, hasn't it? Oh. Gas. Is it hot? I think the gas is out. It's not very easy to do with the... No, the gas is out, Alan. The gas is out because it was on.
And the TV was on. The television was on.
Somebody been living on here. Try your gas again. Can't be totally empty, that bottle. Doesn't feel like it. If it is, we're going to have to change the bottle. Come on, Don, just stick your head in the oven, leave the gas on for 35 minutes. We'll soon find out. Light is underneath, where it always is. Right, so that's the next thing, change the gas bottle. This Honda had been left on its...
Gas is on now, Pete.
Yeah. Humpty Dumpties, tell you. Right, what we've done with this Honda, when we put the bolt on the hard standing 9 months ago, Don left the engine on its side, but the actual wrong side. So it would have been a 4-stroke. The top of the head had got filled with oil. The top of the head had got filled with oil, and the first pull of it filled the pistons and jammed it all. But it seems like it's leaked out. Yeah, plenty of compression there now. So like I said, this engine's not been started for 9 months. We couldn't get it going last time, as you've seen, when we put Lady Ellen back in the water, which is 3 months ago. So first order of the day is get this running, because it doesn't look like we're going to get the main engine running because the battery's dead. So we have a bucket. No, we have, which is very difficult to do with one hand. We have fuel for the outboard. And again, I'm doing all this with one hand to make it very difficult. This fuel is fuel is 9 months old. So if you're using this kind of fuel container for your outboard, you have to open the air vent before you can use it. So what we're going to do at the moment is give it a good shake, because even 9 months old petrol will still work alright as long as you give it a good agitation. Your connection to your outboard, clip on. Make sure you got them done the right way. Yep. Prime it by squeezing till it goes hard. What is up with you Muppets? Don't you know where the things are? Right, prime this until it goes hard. I'll have to do this quickly and then go and help the 3 Muppets. That's been primed enough. Choke on. Cut out's alright. I would expect it takes a few pulls this. I could do with someone else helping, but good looking piece all on his own. I don't know, I think I can manage it. So anyway, it's gone down a bit again, so I think the fuel's going through that now. We shall see. I'll try giving it a pull. Like I say, I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's not very easy with one hand. I'll try it with my left hand. Someone's going to get a good pull on it here. I think there's a bit of oil still in here.